Hello students, today we are going to see about standard 9 subject Sanskrit and 4th chapter by the name Valvi Vidya Sthana. Already we have seen the introduction and beginning in the first video, which is already linked into the description. Today we are going to see the further lesson in detail. We have seen in the beginning that they are talking about in ancient India there were many universities which were famous. Among that university, one of the university was there by the name Valvi. Now in that university, if the students are getting admission, then they are thinking as if they are lucky or they are blessed. Further, they are telling us that from faraway countries, many students used to come for studying and learning in this university. As in Nalanda there was as in Magad there was a Nalanda University, same wise likewise in our Gujarat state there were Valbi University, which was located in Bhavnagar region. Now further we have seen that here in this suburb in ancient time many people are used to come for studying, so this is the center for teaching and learning. Now let me see the further lesson. Purvam atra अष्टादश विद्यायाः पठनं पाठनं च भवति स्म. Purvam atra. Purva means in past, in earlier era. Atram means here. So Purvam atram means in the past. Here, let me see the words with its meaning. In the past, here, Purvatram Astadash Vidyaya. Astadash, Ashta means 8 and Dash means 10. Astadash Vidya, Vidya means the subjects. So here in ancient time 18 laws were taught. Pathanam cha bhavati sma. Bhavati sma means used to take place. Now here there were 18 laws which were used to teach. Teaching and learning. Pathanam and bhavati sma. Used to take place. So here they are telling us that in Valbi University they were used to teach 18 laws, 18 subjects. Etashu Vidyasu. Among them, in this knowledge, Chatvaro Vedah, Chatvaro Ved. Chatvara means 4 and Vedah means 4 Vedas. Now they are telling us that which 18 subjects they were teaching in Valbi University. Among that, one of the very first subject is 4 Vedas, Shat Vedangani and 6 Vedangas, Puranam and Puranam, Nyay, Mimamsha, Smruti, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Arthveda, Chatvar Upaveda and 4 Upavedaha. Cha Samavistaha Santi. Cha means and Samavistaha means included. Santi are there. Samavista means included. Santi are there. So here in Valbi University in ancient time 18 laws were taught. Among that 4 Vedas, 6 Vedangas, Nyay, Puranam, Mimamsha, Smruti, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Arthveda and 4 Vedas are included. Tatah Bauddha Darshanasya, Jaina Darshanasya च केंद्रम सज्जातम. And later on, then after or later on university is also became one of the center for the Buddhist philosophy and Jainist philosophy. That also they are teaching that also. So tatah means later. ततः बौद्ध दर्शनस्य बौद्ध means Buddhist and darshan means philosophy. जैन दर्शनस्य of Jain philosophy. Kendram and Asit was there. So, in Valby University, 18 laws were taught. Not only that, but later on, this university is also become one of the center for Buddhist philosophy and Jain philosophy. These subjects also were taught in this same university. ख्रीस्तस्य चतुर्थ्यां शताब्द्यां ऋग्वेदस्य भाष्यकार स्कंदस्वामी सज्जातः. ख्रीस्तस्य means before AD चतुर्थां शताब्द्यां 4th century ऋग्वेदस्य भाष्यकार. ऋग्वेद it is the name of one of the Veda and भाष्यकार means commentator. Skandaswami, it's a name of a person. Skandaswami Sajjatah means lived. So Christasya means AD and Christasya AD Chaturthya means 4th. शताब्द्यां ऋग्वेदस्य of ऋग्वेदा भाष्यकार. Commentator Skandaswami means name of a person and Sajjatah means lived. So in the beginning they have told us that Valby University is one of the center for teaching and learning. Here 18 laws were used to taught. Among in that 18 laws, 4 Vedas, 6 Vedangas, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Puran and Arthved, Gandharvaved, Ayurved, Dhanurved. These all laws were used to teach there. Not only that, but further they are telling us that later on this university is also become one of the center for both Buddhist philosophy and Jain philosophy. So further they are telling us that in 4th century AD, the commentator of Rigveda, Skandaswami, used to live in this university. So the commentator of Rigveda by the name Skandaswami used to live in the same university. Saha atreva avasata. Saha means he, atra eva. So sandhi is here, atra plus eva means here only. Avasata, used to live. Atreva means here only and avasata, live. So he used to live here in the Valby University only. एतत् सूचयति यत् गुप्तकाले अत्र वेदाध्ययनमपि प्रचलति स्म. एतत् means this, Suchiyati. Suchiyati means indicates. Yata means that. Gupta Kale, in Gupta period. Atra, here. Veda Adhyayan Mati, even the study of Vedas. Prachalati Sma. Prachalati means going on and Sma indicates was. So write down the words. Etat means this. Suchiyati indicates. Yata means that. Yata means that. Gupta Kale means in the Gupta period. Gupta Kale. Atra, here. Veda Adhyayan Mapi. Even the study of Vedas. Even the study of Vedas. Prachalati Sma. Prachalati Sma means going on. Was going on. So this is the thing that they want to say that from this that Skanda Swami used to live in Valvi University and he used to teach the Vedas. So from here only we can come to know that in that period in Gupta Kal they were giving the education of Vedas also. This indicates that even this Gupta period they were giving the studies of Vedas. The studies of Vedas is going on in this period. ख्रीस्तस्य चतुर्थ्यां शताब्द्यां में सुप्रसिद्धो बौद्धाचार्यो स्थिरमति गुणमति जैनाचार्यः श्रीमल्लवादीसुरिः च अत्रैव विद्याव्यासंगं कुर्वन्ति स्म. Not only that, but further they are telling us that ख्रीस्तस्य चतुर्थ्यां शताब्द्यामेव. Shatabdyamev means in the century. In the 4th century, Suprasiddho. Suprasiddha means very famous. Suprasiddho, very famous. Bauddhacharya. Bauddha plus Acharya. Bauddhacharya means Bauddhacharya, Buddhist teacher, Acharya, and Sthirmati and Gunmati. So they are talking about that in the 4th century there were Buddhist teacher by the name Sthirmati and Gunmati. And further they are telling us that Jainacharya, Jain Acharya, the Jain teacher Sri Mallavadi Suri by the name Mallavadi Suri. Cha Atreva. Atreva means here only. Atra plus eva means here only. Atreva, here only. Vidya Vyasanga Kurvanti Sma. Vidya Vyasangam means study. Kurvanti Sma. Has done or used to do. So further they are telling us that not only this but also Sri Mallavadi Suri has taken their education over here. They used to study in Valbi University. So here we have seen that, but actually this suburb is also one of the center for teaching and learning. And further they are telling that here in this center, 18 laws which was used to teach and learn. In that, 4 Vedas, 6 Vedangas, Puranam, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Smriti, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Earth Veda, Chatvar Upveda, means 4 Upvedas are included. Not only that, but later on, this center is also become one of the center for Buddhist philosophy and Jain philosophy. And further they are telling us that in 4th century AD, the commentator of Rigveda by the name Skandaswami used to live here in the same university, and he lives here only. So this indicates that in ancient time, in Gupta period, they were giving the education of Vedas also. The studying of Vedas are also going on in that era, in that time. And further they are telling us that in the 4th century, the very famous Buddhist teacher by the name Sthirmati and Gurmati and Jain teacher by the name Sri Mallavadi Suri, they used to study here only. Etat suchayati. So this indicates yad atra, that here. Yada plus atra means that here. Jaina Bauddha Darshananamupi Adhyayanam Prachalati Sma. Jaina Bauddha Darshan means Jain and Bauddha philosophy. Adhyayanam means study. Prachalati Sma was prevalent. So here from these we can come to know that also the studies of Jain philosophy and Buddhist philosophy used to take place in this same university. Atra yatha ruchi yatha mati chhatrah apathan. Atra means here, yatha ruchi. Yatha means as per, and ruchi means interest. Yatha ruchi, as per the interest. Yatha mati, and as per the intelligence. Chhatra means students. Apathan means study. Yatha ruchi, as per their interest. And yatha mati, as per their intelligence. Chhatraha means students. Atra means here, and apathan. Study. So here they are telling us that here the preaching of Buddhist philosophy and Jain philosophy were also going on, and students are learning as per their interest and as per their intelligence. Students were taking their education, their studies as per their interest and as per their intelligence here. So up to here, write down the words with its meaning. We will see further later. So, as we have seen that students are learning here according to their likings and their intelligence. Not only that, but further they are telling us that Pravesh Pariksha api bhavati sma. प्रवेशामर्थम means प्रवेश plus अर्थम means for entrance. प्रवेश परीक्षा अपि भवति स्म. प्रवेश परीक्षा means entrance test. So for if the student wants to get admission, then he have to pass the entrance test. So in that era, in that time, they used to take entrance test. So pravesamartham pravesh pariksha bhavati. Bhavati means used to take place. Tam uttiryam, tam plus uttiryam means only after passing. Eva atra, this and here. Chhatrasya praveshah shakya asit. Chhatrasya means of the student. Praveshah means admission. Shakya means possible. Asit indicates was. So tam uttiryam, tam uttiryam means only after passing. Chhatrasya praveshah means of the students entry. Shakya means possible. Asit was. So only after passing the entrance test, the students' admission can be done. So here they are telling us that in that era, in that time, they were taking entrance exam also for giving admission. Kristasya Panchamyam Satabdyam. Kristasya means AD, Panchamyam means 5th, Satabdyam. Satabdyam means century. Idam Upanagaram. Idam means this and Upanagaram means suburb. Upanagaram means suburb. Idam means this and Upanagaram means suburb. Idam Upanagaram, Maitrikana of Maitrikas. Rajdhani means capital. Asit was there. Asit indicates was. So here they are telling us further that in the 5th century AD, this suburb Valvi was the Maitrika's capital, King Maitrika's capital. Maitrikanam व्यवस्था अनुसार अध्ययनस्य समाप्त्यनन्तरं वारसभायां शास्त्रार्थ भवति स्म. Maitrikanam means of Maitrika's व्यवस्था अनुसारम, according to the custom. Vyavastha Anusaram means according to the custom. Maitrikana Vyavasthanusaram Adhyayanasya means of study samapyantaram Vajasabhayam. Vajasabhayam means of debate. Debating assembly. Debating assembly. Shastrartha bhavati sma. So they are telling us that according to the customs of King Maitra, after completing the studies, there was a debate competition between the students, and this is the rule of King Maitrakas. शास्त्रार्थे विभिन्न मत मतांतराणां खंडन मंडनं पूर्वकं विमर्शः भवति स्म. शास्त्रार्थे in the debate competition विभिन्नानां of different मत मतांतराणां of different ideas. खंडन मंडन पूर्वकम. खंडन मंडन पूर्वकम means with a refutation and support. खंडन मंडन पूर्वकम विमर्शः. विमर्शः means thought. So here they are telling us that according to the King Maitraka's customs in their kingdom, that whoever is passing or whoever is completing their studies from Valbi University, they have to appear or be present in the debate competition. And in that debate competition, there were debate, and they used to do debate, and if on different ideas they are representing, and they are representing that idea in a refutation and support of that topic. So here our chapter number 4 Valbi Vidya Sthana is about to over. The remaining lesson we will see in the next video. Now you may note down these things in your